made possible by you. Previously on Sailing Aquarius, we get the most delightful sail to our last destination in Malaysia, Langkawi. And
so the rule of the thumb is
we are on our route to circumnavigate. Therefore, we will be on west side of Thailand, where we will sail to Phuket, and Bangkok is on the other side of Peninsula. So we won't get there on Aquarius. But we still have some business to do in Bangkok, and flights from Langkawi are fairly cheap. So we hop on the plane for a short getaway in Bangkok, Thailand.
Where are you going?
We're going to the hotel. The best airport. Water is for free. Has metro to the city, which is super cheap. Wow. Hello.
Hello there.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. And this is pretty nice. Our first hotel is in Chinatown, Bangkok, and we looked for places to go for dinner, and it was right across the street from our hotel. The restaurant had best reviews, and it had a huge line waiting for it. Look at the line somewhere there. Crazy! It was really good though. Very good. In the morning, we got to admire this beautiful skyline with a swimming pool. Later, we had to take care of some business, in particular medical business, but that is a separate topic about Thailand and medical. And later on, we will be moving to the other hotel. The other hotel is in the vicinity of Khao San Rd, the most popular street in Bangkok, which we will show you later.
Checking into your new hotel.
All the street massage, street stores, and everything else, all the action, is only a few minutes away from our new hotel, which is, as I mentioned, next to Khao San Rd. And this, what looks never-ending store, is actually a pathway to public transportation via river.
We're gonna go tour Bangkok today.
It's a good way to avoid very hectic and congested streets. Also, it's much cooler on the river, as well as you can see locals' way of life. I believe that's a whole driver's family right next to him. Other bonus, all the sightseeing places you can admire while on the way to your destination. Of course, there are special hop on and off boats, but how do you justify $15 what they charge compared to 15 baht, which is less than 50 US cents for a boat ride for the locals? We've been to Thailand many times and visited almost all the tourist attractions. Also, it would not be enough one day to show them around, so we picked our favorite, the Temple of Donkey. Well, you get the idea, and this video wouldn't do justice conveying the beauty of the temples anyways, so we get someplace cooler, which we catch a very cool and very much underused metro, and we go to the biggest place. Come on, what kind of place in Bangkok that doesn't have shopping? This one is outdoors food court in one of the biggest shopping malls, MBK. In this mall, there's something for everyone.
Good time to go home now.
Yes.
Okay, come on. I got her in the tuk-tuk.
And here the madness begins. As you enter the street, they basically take care of you, starting with healthy foods, less healthy, more interesting, more exotic, and very exotic. And while you're eating your snack, somebody's already offering you a fried scorpion. And if that's too overwhelming, you always can go back to something more familiar. After your hunger pangs have been satisfied, move forward. Next, shopping. And after that is done and you move forward, the party starts. And hey guys, I'm not judging, I'm just basically showing what's going on. And here we don't have music dubbed over. It just goes on, whichever is louder, that's a winner. Oh, and I didn't mention the alcohol. You can get a beer or just a bucket of a drink, whatever is in there. It's fun till it lasts, and we've been there, done that many times. So I guess we over it.
We've made it to the end. Khao San Rd.
And And not all places are as crazy as Khao San Rd. There are plenty of much calmer ones to enjoy. But if you are already on Khao San Rd, you must visit our good friend Sammy.
Sammy, how long have we known each other?
Oh, for many years, at least 15 years. At least.
At least 50.
Yeah, maybe more than
But
that.
I'll tell you what, Sammy is the #1 person that you want to meet on Khao San Rd.
Sammy is the best person on Khao San Rd to get any trip, anywhere, in Thailand or outside. We also found this new bar on top of Khao San Rd, which wasn't easy to find, but when you find it, you can admire the skyline and the Khao San Rd from above, way less crowded. All in all, even it's now Thailand on steroids, it still has a lot to offer. Good food, fairly inexpensive, and lots of landmarks to see.
This stuff is awesome. And it's 7-Eleven, it's only 30 cents.
So this is street food because we eat them on the street. And it would be unfair not to mention massages. For our last night in Bangkok, we are back on the water. What kind of sailing Aquarius without water? Anyways, we are on a river rushing to get a river cruise. This river cruise has a dinner on board, and while you eat, you can enjoy beautiful surroundings as well as music.
Hello, Captain. Those two places?
Yeah. We are right next to the dance floor. We had our own music on the board, but we had to change it. Otherwise, we are risking to get a copyright claim, which is not good for our channel.
So very sure that you felt it, and so very hard to explain it. Up in the air, this love we found. It's a tricky situation, cause we don't know what to do. But I feel your every motion as I'm calling out for you. Restless heart, please find your home. Back to the start, where I'm calling out for you. You don't have to carry that weight. My every part is calling out for you. find the words to say. I have to find another way to show you what's on my mind. Oh, what's on my mind. We can slip out the back door. I just wanna hold you like before. Oh girl, you're really one of a kind. One of a kind. It's a tricky situation, cause we don't know what to do, but I feel you every move.
Next on Sailing Aquarius, lots of fun in Langkawi and leaving Malaysia. Join us. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spanish